Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Synthesia for AI training video automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Synthesia website using your preferred web browser. Once the homepage loads, locate the sign up button, usually positioned prominently. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be redirected to a registration page requesting your email address. Enter a valid email address that you have access to and wish to use for your account. Next, create a secure password that meets the required criteria. Input your chosen password in the designated field. After filling in your email and password, look for the confirmation checkbox to agree to Synthesia's terms of service. Tick the box to confirm your acceptance of the terms. Now, click on the Create Account or Register button to proceed. You may receive an email from Synthesia to verify your email address. Open your email and locate the verification message from Synthesia. Click on the verification link included in the email. Once your email is verified, return to the Synthesia website. Log into your account using the email and password you just created. You'll be directed to a dashboard where you can start exploring features. Familiarize yourself with the interface by taking a look at available resources. To begin training video automation, navigate to the Create Video option. Select this option to start the video creation process. Follow the prompts to customize your training video, choosing elements such as avatars and text. After setting up your video, review all details to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied with your video, click on the Generate button. Wait for Synthesia to process your video, which may take a few moments. When the video is ready, you will be notified, and you can access it directly from your dashboard. Explore additional features to enhance your training videos as needed. Your registration is now complete, and you're ready to create automated AI training videos using Synthesia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.